Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to talk about A50 issues, problems that many of you said in the last few weeks, or any problems that you have since you bought the phone. Before that, hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this. If we get enough subscribers for this video, I will make a second part on how to fix it. Some users recently raised some concerns about the connectivity or the overheating or even the battery life of this Galaxy A50. And on this video we're trying to figure out how to fix it. First, make sure you have the latest update. You're gonna find this update on the settings, on the software update, and slightly press on download and install. If it's happened to have an update, it's just gonna show you. If not, look, your software is up to date. If not, probably you're gonna see the last update. When was last time successful updated? So for me on this A50 was on 10 of May 2019, so was just a few days ago. And what this update brings you: the performance of fingerprint recognition has been improved. Overall stability of functions improved. The security of your device has been improved. So make sure you got this last update, which can make your phone to be faster or maybe improve something that is not working at the moment. Let's start with the overheating. The first thing I do on the phone is to disable the GPS. I only use the GPS when I'm driving. This can overheat any phone, not just this one, so there is no point to keep it on. You're gonna find on this K menu, and probably some of you gonna find it like a location or simple GPS. So make sure you disable the location for the phone. Also, is no point to keep your Bluetooth on if you not use it. This also can drain your battery life. Also, NFC, if you don't pay with your phone, also you don't need to use it, so just simple deactivate it. And the last one who can drain your battery also a little bit faster, it's always on display. So make sure you deactivate all of this, and probably you're gonna see a big difference in a battery life. Also, do not use your phone while it's charging. This can also lead to overheat. Use it only if you need it. The phone needs to be charged, so it's pointless to force it extra. So once the phone is completely charged, take it back and use it again. Also, many of you who have problems with the data connection, try to put the phone on the plane mode for a couple of seconds and then just turn it back on. This can make your phone to find your network more easily. So it's worth to try just for a couple of seconds. Many of you guys complain about the battery life, and let's say who's draining the battery life? Well, I would say the Facebook, it's the main app who can drain quickly the battery life. So instead of using this third app like Facebook or any other app who's using a lot of resources, also is sitting on the background, is just squeezing all that juice from your battery, go on the Play Store or Google Market, and because many of you cannot stay without Facebook, try to install the Facebook Lite. This is the smaller version of Facebook, and probably it's gonna give you more juice, and it's gonna work the same like the big app Facebook, but it's not gonna use all the resources and not gonna drain your battery like the big app is doing for now. Next, use your mobile data only when you need it. This can also end your battery faster. So if you don't need to look on internet or on YouTube, just simple deactivate, disabled, or how you want to say, the Wi-Fi connection, or if you're using mobile data, just deactivate the mobile data. This also can improve your battery life, so it's no need to keep it on the background or just when the phone it doesn't work. So yeah, switch off the internet connection. Also guys, turn on the power saving option. This also may work and keep your phone up. Also you can use the brightness level on automatic. This can improve the battery life. So just go on the menu, on the settings, and just go on power saving. Okay, medium power saving. And on power mode you're gonna have 3 options: optimize, medium power saving, or maximum power saving. Of course, if you're gonna switch on the maximum power saving, you're gonna extend your battery life to, let's say on this moment, 1 day and 21 hours. But your phone is not gonna be that fast. It's not gonna run probably the games properly, and in the same time it's gonna close all the apps in the background. So it's a good thing to do that. And yeah, you just have to choose between optimized or medium power saving. And yeah, if you can see, it's just limiting your CPU speed. Limit the maximum CPU speed to 70%. So your phone is not going to work 100%. The maximum level will be 70%, and I think it's not that bad to keep the phone on 70% power. It's still going to run all the apps, probably even some games, but it's going to give you more battery life. What you can do next is try to remove any third-party apps that claims to be phone cleaner or battery saver. Your phone already is coming with one, and you can go again in the settings and try to go on battery, this battery storage, and okay, let's go on memory. And if you can see, you got an option here, just clean now. Then this is gonna clean, look how many megabytes you can clean on this moment. So you don't need to install a third app like cleaner to make your phone to be faster, or to clean any data storage that has been left for your previous apps or these recent apps. Even on the storage you can go and also try to give it a clean. Look, you can clean now. So you can do this not every day, but at least once a week is just more than enough. And yeah, don't force your phone if you don't need it. In order to extend the battery life, I will say, in my opinion, that the live wallpapers that you set up on your phone on the lock screen, this can affect your battery life. So I always just put a normal wallpaper, even on my home and lock screen. And if I remember, probably I never use a live wallpaper. This is reducing my battery life, so it's no need to put one just because it's looking beautiful. Let's move on how to fix the lag on A50. If you have any third-party launcher, consider to remove it. These apps may not be optimized for your phone. I use only your UI system like Samsung One UI. I think it's more than enough. And look, your system, it's looking quite nice. You got these animations, it's colors on every text right here. So it's no need to go in the Play Store and just install a launcher. This also can reduce your battery life, and in the same time can make your phone to be slower. You can have some lag because this launcher is forcing that processor to show you all that animation, and it's no need for that. Your phone looks beautiful, just leave it clean like it is. If you still think that your phone is running slow, just try to do a hard reset. Just press the power button and press it on reset, and then restart it and turn it back on. This may fix the problem with the lag. If you still have the lag on the phone, just try to do a factory reset. go on the settings and type let's say factory data reset, and then just sweep it down to the bottom and you're gonna find the reset button. Just press it and make sure you got all your data backup, all your pictures, photos, videos, storage somewhere on your computer, because this option is gonna make your phone to look and come back like it was on the beginning. So yeah, make sure you back up everything. I usually delete everything and reinstall all the apps, and then save it back on your computer, on your laptop. If all these problems still persist, take your phone to the service center and ask them to reinstall the OS. Also, you can wait for the next updates from the company, like I just received the last one. So don't forget to check the updates, and this can improve your battery life and maybe make the phone to move faster. So okay, these are only a few problems that the people have been in contact with, and I try to show you how to fix this. I hope I help, and if you want to do another common problem and how to fix it, leave just a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, to share this video to other people so they can see how to solve their problems with the A50. And until next time, just want to say thank you for watching.